Is a funky bow. Let's start with the solid in the back. I know it's going to have an 8-inch tail to get started here. So I'll measure my 8-inch tail and we'll trim that at an angle. Okay, and bring that into my bow maker. Twist, will have that tail go up, okay? Hold that with my right hand while I start to make my first loop. And this is going to be at 7 inches. Twist. 7 inches on this side, twist, and we're going to do 2. And now I scrunch because I'm going to do a tail, and we have 2 tails and 1 loop going up, 1 loop going down, just like that. Tail up, tail down, 2 loops on either side. Now bring in your next ribbon, and that is the stripe. And we will work opposite with it, so it'll have an 8-inch tail. I will trim that opposite. So you see there, those are opposite of each other. 8 inches. Bring it into the bow maker, and I'm going to twist it and have that going up. Hold with your 2 fingers, and then start to do your loops. We're going to still go at 7. Twist. Twist when we get to the center. And we are going to do, this needs to be a little shorter. We're going to do 3 loops this time of the stripe. Everybody at 7 inches, okay? We're getting that really loopy, fun loop look. Okay, we got 2 on each side. Let's do the 3rd one. And now this tail will go down. So kind of fluff it out so you see what you got. That looks really, really pretty. I love it. And this tail will come down. All right, she's coming together really lovely. Now we're going to bring it back in the neutral and just have a touch of that. And I'll have this lay right over our last tail, probably about 6 inches, a little shorter. And then we'll make this loop smaller just to kind of bring in the eye at about 6 and 6, and then we are done. You're going to put a cable tie right beside these dowels. I'm going to run it underneath. And then as you bring it up, you're going to work it to the center because it's a little right of center right now. But you start to work it in the middle. Rotate that behind. So this is between your fingers. You're holding it like this. Now, before you get that tight, it's taut, but it's not tight. You go ahead and fluff it. Fluff it real good. Yeah. So she's looking good. She's looking like a bow. Isn't that pretty? Now, in the back, you're going to add a bit of wire because we are going to be wiring this into our foam. So I need about a couple of inches on each side. So pull that tight. And then we can use, so you got a couple of inches over here. We can trim this off. All right, and cut this off. Now we've got that, like we made our own floral pen to go in the back. Our last step is to add, I'd like to add the check ribbon down the middle. So I'm going to cut me a little section of it. And actually I can split that in half because we're going to make 2 bows, so I can save half for the next bow. And to just fold this on its edge, go down the middle. And then we're going to crisscross it. And get that tight. Trim off these tails. And then our top bow is ready. So this bow will be ready to use at the top of our design. And she's looking super cute. There's our funky bow.